Did you know that what you eat in the morning can impact your entire day? It's true. So, grab your coffee, and let's get started. Now, let's talk about the importance of starting your day with healthy foods. A nutritious breakfast sets a positive tone for the day ahead, giving you the energy and focus you need to tackle whatever comes your way. But first, let's address the problem many of us face when it comes to breakfast: reaching for convenient but unhealthy options that leave us feeling sluggish, craving more sugar, and experiencing energy crashes throughout the day. It's time to break the cycle and fuel our bodies with foods that truly nourish and sustain us. So, what are these magical morning foods that can transform your day? Let's explore 12 delicious and nutritious options that will not only fuel your morning but also boost your overall well-being. From vibrant fruits to protein-packed grains, we've got you covered. Eggs. Eggs have been a beloved breakfast staple for as long as we can remember, and for good reason. They're not just a source of protein. Both the yolk and white are packed with heart-healthy unsaturated fats. Starting your day with eggs provides a perfect dose of essential minerals and vitamins. Versatile and easy to prepare, eggs can be cooked in countless ways, from scrambled to poached. Regardless of how you cook them, they're incredibly filling, helping you stay satisfied until lunchtime and cutting down on unhealthy snacking. Nutritious, tasty, and readily available, eggs also pair wonderfully with other wholesome foods like sweet potatoes or ground turkey. What's your favorite way to cook eggs in the morning? Share your go-to method in the comments below. Oatmeal, watching your weight? Searching for gluten-free breakfast options? Look no further than oatmeal, one of the healthiest choices for starting your day. A comforting bowl of oatmeal is a nutrient powerhouse, easy to prepare in just minutes. Oatmeal is packed with insoluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar levels, keeping you fuller for longer. It also boasts antioxidants and natural heart-protecting anti-inflammatory properties. Combine cooked oats with organic nut butter and fresh fruits, and you'll have a delicious breakfast that keeps you away from the vending machine all morning. Greek yogurt. Next on our list is Greek yogurt. Yogurt is an excellent choice to kickstart your day. While its beneficial bacteria are often the first thing that comes to mind, yogurt offers much more than just gut health. Incorporating yogurt into your breakfast is especially beneficial if you're aiming to shed a few pounds. Packed with essential nutrients, yogurt helps keep you energized throughout the day while supporting digestive health. Rich in calcium and probiotics, it's a great way to boost your intake of these important nutrients. For added flavor and nutrition, consider topping your yogurt with your favorite fruit. If you're a morning workout enthusiast, yogurt can be your post-exercise ally. Simply dilute some yogurt in water, mix in a pinch of rock salt, and enjoy a refreshing buttermilk. It's a soothing drink that aids in muscle recovery and helps you feel your best. Chia seed. The chia seed health craze is definitely worth joining. Known as one of the healthiest seeds in the world, chia seeds are perfect for breakfast. They are loaded with antioxidants, fiber, calcium, and a variety of other essential nutrients that help protect your body from toxins. Adding a sprinkle of chia seeds to a bowl of yogurt with fruit or a salad not only enhances the nutritional value but also adds a delightful crunch. Naturally rich in omega-3 fatty acids, chia seeds help induce a feeling of fullness, which is beneficial for weight loss. Start your morning right by incorporating chia seeds into your oatmeal, smoothies, cereal, or puddings. Avocado. When it comes to superfoods for breakfast, avocado toast is a top contender. Topped with freshly diced tomatoes, onions, and a dash of salt and pepper, this meal provides the energy you need to power through your day. Did you know that the compounds in avocados offer the same protective benefits as olive oil? Renowned as one of the best foods for weight loss, starting your day with this fantastic fruit, especially when paired with an egg, creates a breakfast fit for champions. Not only does it boost satiety, reducing the urge to snack between meals, but the unique unsaturated fats in avocados, which your body can't produce on its own, help lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease and certain cancers related to unhealthy lifestyles. Try avocado toast with whole grain bread, or add avocado slices to your eggs or smoothies for a nutritious start to your day. Berries. Berries easily win the title of being one of the healthiest breakfast foods on the planet. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and others are not only rich in heart-friendly antioxidants but also provide a significant energy boost to start your day. These colorful, nutritious fruits are packed with powerful vitamins that elevate your breakfast experience tenfold. If weight loss is your goal, an assortment of berries is just what you need to kickstart your morning. Did you know that berries can actually help prevent fat formation in the body? In addition to aiding weight loss, adding just 1 cup of various berries to your oatmeal, cereal, or shakes will protect your cells and significantly improve blood circulation. Start your day with a burst of flavor and health by incorporating berries into your breakfast routine. Nut butter. What can't nut butter do? This delicious, creamy, and nutritious spread is made from nuts like almonds, peanuts, or walnuts. Packed with heart-healthy unsaturated fats and protein, nut butter are linked to weight loss and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Nut butter is an excellent way to add protein to your diet, especially if you're vegetarian or vegan. Studies show that people who eat nut-based butter are less likely to be overweight compared to those who don't. Start your day right by adding a spoonful of your favorite nut butter to your morning green smoothie, salad bowl, or sandwich. Whole grain bread. Whole grain bread is a great source of complex carbohydrates, which provides sustained energy throughout the morning. It's also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Pair whole grain bread with healthy toppings like avocado, nut butter, or hummus for a balanced and nutritious breakfast. Spinach and leafy greens. Greens are always a fantastic choice for breakfast, and spinach stands out as a powerhouse among them. This leafy green, often the star of healthy green juices, is packed with folate and muscle-building fiber. Spinach can significantly reduce the risk of developing osteoporosis and heart disease, 2 of the most common health issues in America. Simply adding a handful of this superfood to your breakfast can make a remarkable difference in how you approach your day. Spinach is even healthier than kale and offers numerous benefits, such as protecting muscles from degeneration and increasing blood flow throughout the body. If you're tired of the usual eggs and toast, make your breakfast more nutrient-dense by adding just 1 cup of spinach to your omelets, egg sandwiches, or juices. For those seeking more healthy food options, spinach is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Now, let's make your breakfast more nutritious and delicious. Bananas. Bananas are the unrivaled superstars of potassium, but their benefits don't stop there. These nutrient-packed fruits are loaded with fiber and other valuable nutrients. Adding diced bananas to your fruit bowl or smoothie can lift your mood and give you an energized start to the day. What makes bananas truly awesome is their resistant starch, which supports digestive health and prevents bloating and lethargy. Including bananas in your breakfast routine also helps lower blood pressure, keeping your heart in good shape. A fun and delicious way to incorporate bananas into your morning is by adding them to your oatmeal with nut butter, topped with chia, pumpkin, or flax seeds. Black tea. Often underrated, black tea is a vital addition to a balanced diet. If you're a fan of your morning cup of coffee, consider switching to black tea. Not only will it wake you up, but it will also provide a refreshing caffeine fix that fights lethargy and enhances mental alertness. With its robust flavor, black tea might take a bit of getting used to, but once you do, it's a fantastic beverage to keep you focused throughout the day. Simply boil water, add tea leaves, and let it steep for a few minutes. Strain the tea, and enjoy a rejuvenating cup that sets the tone for a productive day. Sweet potato. Ever considered starting your day with vibrant, flavor-packed sweet potatoes? If not, it might be time to give them a try. These nutrient-rich tubers are perfect for kickstarting your morning, thanks to their fat-burning compounds and low glycemic index. Sweet potatoes offer a satisfying level of fullness that can keep you going until lunch. Tired of the same old cereal, eggs, or bacon every morning? Sweet potatoes provide a fresh, nutritious alternative. Swapping your usual bagel, muffin, or pastry for this low-carb veggie can give you the energy and nutrients you need to tackle the day. For a complete breakfast, try pairing sweet potato hash with eggs and vegetables. Make the switch and enjoy a delicious, health-boosting start to your day. Incorporating these 12 foods into your morning routine can have a profound impact on your day. They provide the nutrients your body craves, keeping you satisfied and energized until your next meal. So, say goodbye to mid-morning slumps and hello to a vibrant, productive day ahead. Before we wrap up, we want to hear from you. Which of these healthy morning foods are you excited to try? Share your experiences or favorite breakfast choices in the comments below. And remember, a healthy morning leads to a healthy day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.